this A plus 2B gives C. The rate equation for this reaction is given as rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. If concentration of A is kept the same, but what that of B is doubled, what will happen to rate itself? Means how the rate of reaction changes. Rate of reaction changes, it is my question. So what is the answer? I am giving explanation about it. You know that this rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. It is our rate law. K into concentration of A into concentration of B, it is our rate law. This is rate law equation for this. The power is 1, the rate law. To write this such type of rate law, that is this A raised to power of B, A raised to power of 1, and it is B. When we write another rate is equal to K into concentration of A and B is double this B. This stoichiometry is 1 and stoichiometry is 2, but it is our rate law. Rate law is given to you. You must write such type of rate law here. This rate law is given to you. Rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. You do not write any power 2 here because it is not our hand. It is related with the experiment which is to be taken. The concentration of A is kept the same, that of B is doubled. I am giving double concentration of A to B. Yes, that of B. And then what happens the rate itself? Yes, we are going towards our point. This rate is known as R. Denote this rate as R dash. Equation number 1, equation number 2. This R divided by R dash, which is our part. That is equation 1 divided by equation 2. This is our rate law first, which is given in the question. We are taking this rate law. The B is doubled. We are doubling the concentration of B. Then what is the relation between R and R dash? It is our question. Put this value K into concentration of A into concentration of B raised to power of 1 raised to power of 1 is not important. K dash, it is our K dash. For R dash, K dash is a rate constant. This is concentration of A, concentration of 2B, then is equal to this concentration of B get doubled. It means K dash into A into 2 into B. It means K divided by 2K dash into concentration of A into concentration of B, and the upper side concentration of A into concentration of B. This concentration of A and B get cancelled. This 2 is multiplied with respect to this K, constant K, and K dash, both are the constants. Constant get cancelled. R upon R dash is equal to 1 by 2. So our new rate R dash is equal to 2R. R dash is equal to 2R. It means our answer is C. Get doubled. The reaction get doubled. Rate of reaction get doubled. Next question, we are going towards next question. For the reaction twice N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2, the rate equation can be expressed in two ways. The method of expression is given: decrease in the concentration of N2O5 with respect to T is equal to K into concentration of N2O5, and increase in the concentration of NO2 with respect to T is equal to K dash N2O5. K and K dash are related as, okay, we will write this equation as, in the form of equation form, we will write this is as decrease in the concentration of N2O5, decrease in the concentration of N2O5 d by dt of N2O5 is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to increase in the concentration of NO2 1 by 4, increase in the concentration of NO2 because the product get increases. Concentration of product get increases, the positive sign indicate increase, negative sign indicate decrease. Increase in the concentration of NO2 by dt. You know that d by dt of N2O5, d by dt of N2O5 minus d by dt of N2O5 is given, that is this K into concentration of N2O5 plus d by dt of NO2 is given K dash concentration of N2O5. Put these values here and here. The answer is minus 1 by 2, okay, minus no minus, because minus d N2O5 dt is equal to this 1 by 2 K into concentration of N2O5 is equal to 1 by 4 K dash into concentration of N2O5. Yes, bete, concentration of N2O5 get cancelled. It is 2K dash is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means, okay, write down here K by 2. K by 2 is equal to K dash by 4. Then K dash, 4K dash is equal to 2K dash, sorry, 2K dash is equal to 4K, 2K dash is equal to 4K, these 2 get cancelled, K dash is equal to 2K, K dash is equal to 2K is our answer.